Hi, I'm Steve from 2Cat Media and welcome to another video. In fact, welcome to the channel in general. Welcome, my friends. Now, in today's video, I am going to be looking at the new update, at least as far as the app's concerned, for the Ophelia Go app for the Holy Stone 720/720E. Now, if you look on the help section here, you'll see the app version has been updated, at least on the Android version, to 1.01.72 with a 7 and 4 in brackets. Okay, so here you can see I've got live feed, although a weak GPS signal at the moment. And there you can see the front end and the side-on view of one of my cats, Abby. So hello there, Abby. Okay, so as you can see, the app itself looks exactly the same as it did before. We still have the in-flight functions. They're exactly the same. We still have the speed measurement missing as well. If we click on the three lines with the three dots underneath the red record button, we can see here, if you click on the camera, that we can choose between 1080p at 60 frames per second or 4K at 30 frames per second. So that's for the video resolution. I can't speak tonight. The cache frame number is automatically set at 0, but I'm going to set that at about 30 for myself. And there you can see your SD card, how much you've got left, and also format it if you wish. If you click the little triangle of balls underneath it there on that tab, you can see there you've got your ISO setting. I'll keep it on auto for that one. It does come on the white balance as automatic white balance as default, but a good rule of thumb, at least in my opinion, is around 5,500 for daylight and getting a little bit higher as you reach early evening of around 6,500. So I think the best bet is to click it onto daylight and then just adjust it as you go along with your flight. At least then you won't have it dipping in and out of the whiteness and the brightness, and it hopefully look a little bit more kind of cinematic and consistent as well. So let's click out of that. So now we're going to take a quick look at the settings in the top right hand corner. So we click that little cog, and as you will see here, we've still got the imperial and the metric as well. Let's go over to camera. This is where you can do your camera as well, your 1080p and your 4K, but keep it at 4K. Why not? Here you can do your both calibrations, and here on the safety, it goes in as beginner's mode. If we turn off beginner's mode, we have the 4 different settings here as before, but the noticeable change for those eagle-eyed of you will be the maximum flight distance. Yes, it says 15 to 999 meters, so they have listened and they have changed it. So we can put all the way up to 999 meters. I'll set mine to 120 meters of maximum flight altitude, and my return to home to 50 as well. Now that would be absolutely perfect. We can click out to that and confirm. If we go back into it, it should keep it. No, it doesn't keep it. Okay, so it doesn't keep it. I do know as well, by exiting the app and going back into it, that it does put it back onto beginner's mode, or at least it did for me. So for your first flight, when you open up the app, or every time I should say that you open up the app, just make sure that you take off beginner's mode and put the settings, especially the maximum distance, your maximum flight height, and your return to home altitude. Those 3 there, make sure you set them up every time you open the app. Okay, and apart from that, that's it. So if you've enjoyed the video, then please give it a big, massive fuzzy bear thumbs up, and also any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you are new to the channel, help us reach our next goal of 350 or 400 subscribers, and that would be amazing. And then you too, my friend, could become part of the exclusive yet elusive community that is 2Cat Media. Until the next video, stay safe and drone on.